Hey Dekoni fans! Today we're going to show you how to install your earpads for the Beyerdynamic Custom Studio. The stock pads are held in place with a lip that stretches around the ear cup. To remove them, simply pull them away. Next, grab your new Dekoni audio earpads. Our pads use the same lip as stock. The headphones have a small groove towards the top of the ear cup, where you can align the lip with the ear cup before holding the pad in place with one hand as you use your other to stretch the lip until it's fully seated around the ear cup. Then repeat the process once more for the other side. And you're now ready to enjoy the enhanced listening experience of your new Dekoni audio earpads.